Hello guys, I just want to say thank you to all the people who greeted me through video, message, and even chat. Thank you so much. Hello, shout out everyone. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat ng nag-YouTube. Maraming salamat and shout out sa members ng Team Walang Iwanan. Till now, nandyan pa rin kayo. Maraming salamat. Anyway, may babatiin lang po ako na isang members ng Team Walang Iwanan na magbe-birthday po ngayong month ng June. Walang iba kundi si Jojo Cyrus. Kaya happy birthday to you. And I wish you have more birthday to come and enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. Yan lang masasabi natin dahil maiksi lang ang buhay. Kaya yan lang masasabi ko, Jo. Happy birthday and thank you so much na until now nandyan ka pa rin sa Team Walang Iwanan kahit paano. Tuloy pa rin ang suporta mo, kaya maraming salamat. Kaya I wish you the best na more blessings to come to your channel and more blessings to come to your life at saka maging successful pagdating ng panahon. Kaya thank you so much ulit. Happy birthday and God bless. This is Rosalinda Rakov, guys. Thank you again. Ciao. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Jojo.
Hello, hi mabuhay, welcome back again. Kaog saging, ayan. So I wanna say po Andy ay kanang happy birthday sa akong ate nga perting mo pa. Pag-amping ano na ate, puan kanang harap pagkatagaan kang kuan daghang laki. Wah, daghang laki. Katagan kang mayo panglawas. So mora to si amping kanunay ha. Love po nunay. Hello, hi, mabuhay again. Ayan. Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you so much. Char lang. Bitaw ka nang i-birthday na ko akong mami, no? Akong ate ko, na si Jojo Cyrus. Happy birthday ate ko. Pag-amping kanunay sa imong life. Ubanan sa pag-ampo sa Ginoo. Hope hatagan kag mayong paglawas sa Ginoo, no? Tapos kabalo mo ko kay buutan man ka mo nang i-bless jud ka permanente. So pag-amping lang kanunay ubanan sa imong pamilya. Og maayong kuan, masana og hatagan kag daghang kuan, daghang grasya. So amping mami, I love you. Keep safe always. Bye.
Hi, hello, good morning. Congratulate ko sa akong language. Ay hindi pala. Birthday ko, happy birthday sa akong ikagaw. Kay Jojo Cyrus kas, happy birthday. I hope nga more birthday to come. I hope na more happiness, and I hope nga hindi ka magbabago. So alam kong mabait ka, matulungin. Pagpatuloy mo lang, isa lang ang masasabi ko, sipag at tiyaga lang. Kung anong naumpisahan mo, ipagpatuloy mo yan, kas. At saka yan, once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Sana may cake. Padala mo ako ng cake. Joke lang. Happy birthday.
Miguel, shout out po sa lahat. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ng isang maligayang kaarawan Ate Jojo Cyrus. Yan, Ate Jojo. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Stay pretty. God bless you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.